And Gen Z is this generation. It just knows. People were looking at the politicians and their kids, and the nepo babies. We call Bollywood nepo babies, but something which does not affect us at all. Bollywood में क्या है, जिंदगी में अपन कभी बॉलीवुड नहीं जाने वाले, लेकिन हमको बहुत टेंशन है बॉलीवुड में नेपो बेबी आ रहा है.
ऑपोजिशन कैंडिडेट उनका भी खानदान का पूरा करप्शन वही हो रहा है. एंड दे हैड कॉल्ड फॉर अ पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट. For 4 hours they were going to do like a dharna. General dire behavior essentially, right? Very horrifying. And then of course it turned into what it turned into. Go ahead. What do you think? What is happening? Context भी दे दो थोड़ा सा, मैं भी दे दूंगा थोड़ा सा.
So it all started with. Do you know that something like this is happening in Philippines also?
Yes.
है ना. So the thing is, there is a social media because let's see. I have said multiple times again, मुझे Gen Z से बहुत उम्मीदें हैं, and Gen Z is this generation. It just knows, okay? It knows what is. मतलब there is a difference. India can again. I'm not talking about the Indian Gen Z, no, because it has disappointed me so far. But all over the world, the Gen Z has been questioning, and it has this questioning spirit.
Yes.
And because of which, in Nepal, what happened was there was this entire movement, not a movement, it was a trend by which people were looking at the politicians and their kids, and the nepo babies. We call Bollywood nepo babies, but something which does not affect us at all. बॉलीवुड में क्या है, जिंदगी में अपन कभी बॉलीवुड नहीं जाने वाले, लेकिन हमको बहुत टेंशन है बॉलीवुड में नेपो बेबी आ रहा है, ठीक. But here in real life, in politics, and politicians and their kids, they were living these lavish lifestyles, and then they were flaunting all of that on TikTok because वो तो क्या कहते हैं, जो ह्यूमिलिटी होनी चाहिए ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरी मम्मी बोलती है, जब थोड़ा सा किसी के पास कुछ होता है ना, तो आपको झुक के रहना चाहिए, दब के रहना चाहिए, right. वो रहो, हम्बल रहना चाहिए. इवन she said this to me in the context of me being like टॉपर इन स्कूल एंड क्लास में, या फिर कहीं कोई कुछ कंपटीशन था उसमें फर्स्ट प्राइज मिल गया, तो मैं बहुत खुश होकर घर आती थी. नहीं, ऑलवेज रेनिंग मी बैक, एंड आई वुड एब्सोल्युटली हेट हर फॉर इट कि नहीं भारी हाथ धोती है यार, मेरे को वो करते रहते हैं, मतलब खुश भी नहीं होने देते. इट्स लाइक एज इफ आई नीड टू बी अशेम्ड ऑफ माय अचीवमेंट्स और समथिंग. तो ये होना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू माय मॉम कि नहीं, थोड़ा सा
हम्बल होना चाहिए.
हम्बल है तो ह्यूमिलिटी तो है नहीं भाई, पैसा है अपन के पास, क्या ह्यूमिलिटी. मेरा $26,000 का बैग मैं दिखाऊंगी. सो there were these photographs of people who were flaunting their money and not just photographs, videos of these
nepo babies, like sons and
politicians ke sons and daughters.
Basically politicians, when we say it is all the former prime ministers and ministers, is like this revolving door of power in Nepal since it became democratic.
नेपाल में तो वही है कि रिवॉल्विंग डोर है. आज मैं 5 साल में 2 साल में बन जाता, 3 साल तू बन जाना, इस तरीके से उन लोग का चल रहा है. So, but then they have shit ton of money, and I think this is what I have gathered. The trigger was this one video, जिसमें the Christmas tree का decoration है. It has gifts over $26,000, and that belonged to this guy. The guy in the photograph, उसकी girlfriend थी Miss Nepal, and Miss Nepal had uploaded that picture. And then the people started, because the क्रिसमस ट्री के गिफ्ट जो है वो उस बंदे से लंबे थे, ऊंचा था उसका वो. एंड देन उसका सब लोगों ने गिफ्ट का नंबर वो कैलकुलेट करके $26,000 निकले. $26,000.
Okay,
and then a movement started, and they started questioning these nepo babies and la 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 and so on and so forth. And कई महीनों से ये चल रहा था.
Basically corruption. Basically
corruption. कहाँ से इतना पैसा आ रहा है? और because it was a huge contrast to what was happening with the actual people of Nepal. Schools were getting closed. Same shit. Roads were shit. Schools were getting closed. 8 lakh people applied for work permits outside Nepal. Nepal. And then I was so surprised. Do you know what is the population of Nepal?
No.
It's a country, but do you know? It's 3 crores.
3 crore?
3 crores. I had to check and fact check and look at it myself. It's 3 crores.
Oh, I did not know this. I thought it was much less, honestly. Like instinctively, I thought it was much less. Yeah.
Less? मुझे तो लगा था नहीं, कम से कम 20-25 करोड़ तो हो गए यार. 3 करोड़ 2 करोड़ लोग तो हमारे दिल्ली में होंगे.
3 crore, हाँ, okay, 3 crore.
And 3 crore में 8 लाख लोग is a big amount. It's a big 8 लाख लोग ने बाहर वर्क परमिट वो करा है, क्योंकि नौकरियां नहीं है, लोगों के पास कुछ वो करने के लिए नहीं, मतलब अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं है। तो ये सारे वो सोशल मीडिया पे जेंजी हल्ला मचा रही थी, तो ऑब्वियसली दीस गाइज लाइक सोशल मीडिया बैन कर दो। तो उन्होंने ये बहाना दिया कि हम लोग को तुम लोग को रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है, दी सोशल मीडिया पीपल, दे हैव टू हैव रजिस्ट्रेशन इन नेपाल एंड दे हैव टू open offices in Nepal and employ certain people for grievance redressal and stuff. So ban kar diya, that was the trigger. That was not the reason, or that was not the whole purpose of DA. But because they were like, we were speaking and we were at least questioning the corruption and everything, and you are taking away that one method or one thing, one outlet that we are doing, so jala do sab. So that's why they just protested. And then when they protested, these guys are so nefarious. I saw one video where the police, the guys who were there on the barricade ke udhar jo the, they were like haath upar karke, they were calling, and the students walked towards the barricade and they just opened fire.
So I saw that. I saw that. So I was watching like a few interviews of journalists from Nepal as well. So they explained a lot of things actually. One is of course the whole KP Oli situation, right? KP Oli, and funnily enough, उनका भी वो 70 साल वाला conversation चल रहा है कि KP Oli is very old and he should retire, and they had term limits. As a party president. Yeah. So KP Oli himself changed the rules so that he can continue as the president of the party and the prime minister consequently. His kids and whatever to बहुत rich hai, whatever. Even the
they don't live in Nepal also.
Yeah, they don't live in Nepal. Opposition candidate, उनका भी खानदान का पूरा corruption वही हो रहा है. But the other thing was that after this whole ban on social media, the finance minister of Nepal, somewhere 17 kilometers away from Kathmandu, was driving in his fancy ass SUV and bashed into a 11-year-old child. And this child lost her life. And the car just zoomed off, right? That was caught on CCTV. So it added fuel to the fire essentially. And that is when I think people got really pissed off and started coming on the streets. And they had called for a peaceful protest. For 4 hours, they were going to do like a dharna. But what journalists are now saying is that there were some nefarious elements that just entered the whole protest, and then they started rampaging essentially. And the rampage was not mild, okay? They burned the...
Yeah, I saw that,
Parliament, they burned the Prime Minister's house.
No, the Prime Minister's house ka burning and the Parliament burning was later on. It was before the protest.
First the firing happened.
20 लोगों के मरने के बाद हुआ है ना?
Correct. I think the way this happened was that because protesters were going to the building, these people started calling them कि आजा. So they started going there and they just shot people dead in the head.
I saw this one video where this guy he's wearing a light blue shirt and he is the one trying to control the other people कि नहीं आराम से आओ, and he gets shot. And it's like इतना direct shot, he just falls.
And also it's also the police did not follow the protocol, which is essentially the crowd control protocol, which is like shields leke jao, water cannon karo, all the things. They're doing that now, like when the protests were happening, but then it was just like general dire behavior essentially, right? Very horrifying. And then of course it turned into what it turned into. Also
the parliament wala burning wala images are so scary, horrible, man. It was like एक मैंने देखा जिसमें जो स्तंभ है ना, स्तंभ के बीच में आग लगी हुई है. I was like, what the hell, man?
Yeah,
it was so scary to look at, like even to imagine something like that. It was, of course, like they're extremely angry. They're children. They're extremely angry. The Gen Z is basically children, no? And they're extremely angry. And some of them were like, school के uniform में वो कर रहे हैं, protest कर रहे हैं. School uniform पहन के आए, बताओ. That's how they went for their school, and then they realized this protest is happening, and they joined, and all of this was very scary.
It's very scary. But you know the thing is, after that the images of politicians को दौड़ा के मार रहे हैं यार, नंगा करके दौड़ा के, मतलब my God, it was okay. And also the other thing is, now I also saw some videos of helicopters. Okay, so like helicopters are like had to airlift politicians out of their houses because there is no way for them to get out. Oh my God, horrifying stuff. So these journalists have been saying that there were some...
Beautiful.
See, this is what I want to talk to you about. But context, thoda sa. So this journalist was saying that some nefarious elements entered these crowds and they started burning whatever. And then immediately these Gen Z groups, they stopped. Like the protest also, they said, they put out on social media कि नहीं हम जा रहे हैं, disperse, this is not what we wanted, we didn't want any violence, etc. Yeah, now thoughts.